Hey there, food lovers! Get ready to make the most fluffy Peeps cheesecake you've ever laid eyes and taste buds on. It's a recipe that's sure to impress your family and friends. Plus, it's just plain fun to make. So grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's get started. Every fantastic recipe kicks off with a pantry that's bursting with flavor. It's the ultimate launch pad for your culinary adventures, guaranteeing that all the essentials are right at your fingertips. Dive into a world of delicious possibilities and let your creativity run wild. Before we begin our Peep-tastic adventure, let's round up our ingredients. Having everything ready and within reach will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This will make the baking process smoother than a scoop of freshly whipped cream. Here's what we'll need. For the crust. The crust is the base of our cheesecake, providing a delicious, crunchy contrast to the creamy filling. 1.5 cups graham cracker crumbs. These crumbs will give our crust that classic cheesecake flavor and texture. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar will add just the right amount of sweetness to our crust. 5 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted. The butter will bind the crumbs together and add a rich flavor. For the cheesecake filling. The filling is the heart of our cheesecake, creamy and decadent. 3 8-ounce packages of softened cream cheese. Ensure the cream cheese is at room temperature for a smooth, lump-free filling. 1.5 cups granulated sugar. This will sweeten our filling perfectly. 3 large eggs. The eggs will help set the cheesecake, giving it structure and richness. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Vanilla adds a wonderful depth of flavor. 1 cup of heavy cream. The cream will make our cheesecake extra smooth and creamy. For the Peepalicious swirl, this is where the fun begins. The swirl will add a burst of color and flavor. 1 10-ounce package of your favorite color, Peeps Marshmallows. Choose your favorite color to make the cheesecake uniquely yours. 1/4 cup of milk. The milk will help melt the Peeps into a smooth, swirly mixture. For the whipped cream topping, use 1 cup of heavy cream. Freshly whipped cream is the perfect finishing touch for our cheesecake. 1/4 cup powdered sugar. This will sweeten the whipped cream just right. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Vanilla adds a lovely flavor to whipped cream. And sprinkles, because sprinkles make everything better. They add a fun, festive touch to our cheesecake, making it not only delicious but also visually appealing. Now that we have all our ingredients, we're ready to start baking our Peep-tastic cheesecake. Let's kick things off by creating a rock-solid graham cracker crust, the cornerstone of our delightful Peep-tastic masterpiece. This isn't just any ordinary crust. It's the essential base that seamlessly holds all those scrumptious layers together. Picture that satisfying crunch paired with a hint of sweetness, perfectly balancing out the creamy filling that's about to come. Get ready for a delicious adventure. This step is as easy as pie, even easier than pie, actually. You don't need to be a professional chef to nail this. It's all about having fun and enjoying the process. So, let's get started and make this as enjoyable as possible. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and grease a 9-inch springform pan. This ensures that our crust bakes evenly and doesn't stick to the pan, making it easier to remove later. In a medium bowl, combine the graham cracker crumbs and sugar. The sugar adds a touch of sweetness and helps bind the crumbs together. Make sure to mix them well so that the sugar is evenly distributed. Drizzle in the melted butter. The butter gives our crust that rich, buttery flavor and helps it hold its shape. It's like the glue that keeps everything together. Stir everything together until it resembles wet sand. This texture is crucial because it ensures that the crust will be firm and not crumbly. Take your time to mix it thoroughly. Press this mixture into the bottom of your prepared pan. Spread it evenly so every bite has that perfect graham cracker crunch. Use the bottom of a measuring cup to pack it down tightly. This step is crucial because it compacts the crumbs and ensures that the crust holds together well when you cut into it. Pop that crust in the preheated oven for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn. Once it's done, let it cool completely before adding any fillings. This golden crust will be the perfect base for our delicious creation. Let's dive into the delicious world of cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, beat the softened cream cheese and sugar together until smooth and creamy. Beat in the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Slowly pour in the heavy cream, beating until the mixture is light and fluffy. Set this bowl aside for a moment. It's time to unleash the magic of Peeps. Get ready for the Peep-alicious swirl. We're about to unlock a world of sweetness by infusing the enchanting magic of Peeps. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine the Peeps and milk. Microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring between each one until the Peeps are completely melted and smooth. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Now, pour about half a cup of the cheesecake batter into the melted Peeps mixture. Whisk it together until fully combined. This helps prevent the Peeps mixture from sinking to the bottom during baking. Genius, right? We've reached a new level of baking bliss, turning simple batter into pure cheesecake gold. Pour the plain cheesecake batter over the cooled graham cracker crust. Carefully spoon dollops of the Peep mixture over the top. Using a toothpick or knife to swirl the two batters together creates a mesmerizing marble effect. This is where your inner artist gets to shine. Place the cheesecake pan in a larger baking pan. Fill the larger pan with hot water until it reaches halfway up the sides of the cheesecake pan. Get ready for the cooling countdown. Just a friendly reminder, patience is key. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the cheesecake is just slightly jiggly in the center. It's going to be tempting, but resist the urge to dig in immediately. Turn off the oven and crack the door open. Let the cheesecake cool in the oven for an hour. This helps prevent cracks. Afterwards, transfer the cheesecake to the refrigerator to chill for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. Step into the whipped cream wonderland, where every dollop is a dreamy topping for an unforgettable dessert experience. Get ready to elevate your treats to new heights of deliciousness. While the cheesecake chills, let's make a cloud of whipped cream. In a large bowl, beat the heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract together until stiff peaks form. Once the cheesecake has chilled completely, spread this fluffy dream over the top. Decorate generously with sprinkles. It's time for the spectacular Peep Show presentation, the grand finale. This is the moment we've all been eagerly anticipating, the thrilling climax of our incredible baking journey. Get ready for an unforgettable experience. There you have it, a Peep-tastic cheesecake masterpiece. Look at those vibrant colors and the delightful arrangement of Peeps. It's a true feast for the eyes and the taste buds. Now, it's time to show off your creation. Hold it up proudly and let everyone see your hard work and creativity in this dessert. Slice it up and serve. Each slice reveals the beautiful layers and the rich, creamy texture of the cheesecake. Make sure to cut generous portions, as everyone will want a piece of this delicious treat. This cheesecake is best enjoyed with a tall glass of cold milk and good company. Gather your friends and family and watch their faces light up with joy as they take their first bite. Thank you for joining us on this sweet adventure. It's been a pleasure sharing this recipe with you, and we hope you've had as much fun making it as we have. We can't wait to hear how your Peep-tastic cheesecakes turned out. Did you add your own twist? Maybe a different flavor or a unique decoration? Let us know. Share your pictures with us on social media or leave a comment below. We love seeing your creations and hearing your feedback. Your photos and stories inspire us and the entire baking community. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more delicious recipes. This way, you stay tuned for more exciting and mouth-watering recipes coming your way. Remember, keep baking and spreading sweetness. Until our next adventure, happy baking!